Yep, that was made on Android. Yo, what's up guys, it's Cinou here and welcome back to a brand new video. Today we're going to take a look at how to make an intro in less than a minute, and it requires you no skills and it's super easy. So with that being said, let's get going. First thing that you have to do is to go ahead to the link in the description below and download this app which is called Intro Maker. You can find it on the Google Play Store. It's absolutely free. Go ahead and hit on create a new video, which if you press on it is going to show you your gallery. Now go to albums, which is your folders, and choose any photo you would like to display on your intro. Just don't choose something random like a background. Instead choose something that has a meaning. For example, I added this enjoy image, and here you need to go ahead and just put in your YouTube channel name. In my case it's Cinou, and hit on continue. And in order to see all the templates that this app just offers you, you need to go ahead and just flip your phone into a vertical mode just like this, and as you can see in the bottom you can see all of the templates that this app allows you to use. My favorite one gotta be this one right over here. It looks pretty cool. It's the one that you saw in the beginning of this video, and I really love this one because it's kind of smooth. I really love how it moves. But if you don't like this, you can actually go ahead and choose another template. There is some quite interesting intros right over here. If you go through them, I'm pretty sure you'll find something that you guys like, and there is some of them that doesn't work. I'm pretty sure it's going to be just fixed in future updates, but for the moment you can choose some pretty dope ones, and they offer you such a cool music that suits the intro theme. So once you find your intro that you are interested in, all what you have to do is to go ahead and press on this one tool right over here in the bottom, and it's going to show you some options. So by default this app will give you this aspect ratio, which is this square. This is like for Instagram and stuff. We are not looking for this. We are looking for YouTube stuff. So if you press on it again, it's gonna give you the portrait mode, and this is the mode that you need, the square. The aspect ratio is 1920 by 1080p, which is the perfect aspect ratio for YouTube. As you can see, you can also just control the speed of the intro. It will maintain the same smoothness but be a little bit faster. It really depends on your mood, what you like and what you are going to be using it for. And you can always cut it after when you do the edit process. You can cut out the enjoy part if you want to, but I'd rather keep it. You can also choose the different theme, a different color. I really dig this blue theme right over here, and you are free to choose anything else you want. So once you're done with your customization, once you are happy with the final result, all what you have to do is to go ahead and press on that save button on the top right corner of the screen. So press on it and it should pop up like an ad. So basically go ahead and remove that and hit on save without sharing. It's going to show you the process and how long will it take. It usually takes like 7 seconds, depends on your phone speed, and then it will just start the video or your intro, and you can see how it look like. So as you can see, it looks pretty dope. The quality is really good, and the good thing about this app, it doesn't require you any money. It's completely free, and it does give you no watermark straight off Google Play Store. So if you download this right now, you will have no watermark after you make this intro. I know you guys hate watermarks, so yeah, basically you will have a watermark free video. So yeah, this is how to make a really cool intro, and it doesn't take you skills or time at all. So now you can make intros in less than a minute, which is absolutely amazing, and it doesn't even requires you any skills, and it's super fast. So if you are in the need of an intro, all what you have to do is to go ahead and download this app, type in your name, and you are pretty much done. So yeah guys, this is how to make an intro in less than a minute. I hope you guys did enjoy this video. If you did, go ahead and like this video. If you are new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I see you guys next time. Peace out.